What's this? A new location? No, it's just my bed. Um, so, I decided to make another food video. Something to calm me down after I got my butt handed to me playing a game. You know? But that's besides any point. First things first, we're gonna try some of this. Creme de la... word I can't pronounce. Dark chocolate. They have multiple flavorings. This one was the one they had at the store. The other ones are hazelnut and I think maybe milk chocolate. This is what's in the bag. There's the thing. Go over here. There we go. A little silver foil thing. Well, let's see if I can find one that isn't broken. But as unbroken as you can get. No? Uh-huh. I actually don't really like dark chocolate. But this is pretty good. I'd buy it again. I hope this mic is working. I don't know if it's working or not, honestly. But after that, I want something a little more savory, yeah? Baker's Harvest chicken flavored crackers. Or biscuits if you're... Wait, no, those are cookies, aren't they? What are crackers? What are crackers in, like, the UK? Little cracker. Yeah. It tastes more chicken bouillon than actual chicken. That's pretty good. Be real good with some squeeze cheese. Yeah. If you're in chicken wafers, if you've been to like any dollar establishment, you know those. There's also chocolate, strawberry. I think I'm gonna try the chocolate. I'm not gonna try it. I've had these before. They're pretty good. I just got it because they're yum. I actually kind of stepped on this package when I was changing the sheets to the bed. I broke a little of them. These are good with milk because they're a little dry. Usually they're a little more moist than this one, actually. But these are the dollar ones. Really dry. They're pretty good. Now, I'm not going to make this video super long. I'm trying to keep it under 5 minutes. Or at least 6 minutes. And here's the last thing. Biscoletta. Stars. Yeah. filled cookies topped with a milk chocolate star. Oh, these are stuck together, I guess. Look at it. They put in the pack. They put this one in the package backwards. It's stuck to the one next to it. Mocha. I'm just gonna eat them both. Oh. It's very good. Again, really dry. But that's pretty much to be expected. I'm not gonna try the vanilla or the strawberry sugar wafers because they're the same thing, it's just in different flavors. I'll probably snack on these all night. Probably eat them all, except for the chicken biscuits. There'll probably be some left. But other than that, thank you for watching and have a nice day.